On a bright spring day, a bunch of us met up to go on a bike ride exploring the natural habitats of the Sellwood Moreland area. We started by exploring Sellwood Riverfront Park, riding the paved scenic trail along the lush natural habitats. Then, we went through a more challenging woodsy pathway that winds along the river. Riding out of the park, we got to admire the lovely architecture of the historic Oaks Pioneer Church. The church is located at the corner of Sellwood Park, not to be confused with Sellwood Riverfront Park we just came from. At the edge of Sellwood Park, there is a bluff overlooking Oaks Bottom Wildlife Refuge with a breathtaking view of the area's parks. On the west side of Sellwood Park, we rode a beautiful lush path running by the side of the train tracks. The trail led us straight into Oaks Amusement Park, one of the oldest continually operating amusement parks in the country. We were now finished with all these wonderful detours and headed to the Springwater Corridor Trail. We turned into Oaks Bottom Wildlife Refuge, a magical forest nestled within an urban area. We parked our bikes and went on a short walk, engaged in conversation and taking in the beauty of this part of the forest. We rode out of the forest and into the streets of Sellwood neighborhood. Just a block or so away from Oaks Bottom, we got to see a more typical street view in the US. A large gas station, high volume car traffic, and very little shade. Luckily, this was only a minute or so of our trip, as we soon were riding into the quieter streets of Sellwood neighborhood. We circled this part of Sellwood, then rode back on the Springwater Corridor Trail to the Sellwood Riverfront Park, where this journey began.